Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. Kasama ko ngayon ang aking apo.
Hello, I'm Eli.
Yeah, si Elijah. Dati nagkaroon kami ng vlog before. Lolo Mel is here.
Yeah,
naalala mo?
The backyard, yeah.
That was like 2 years ago.
3?
Oh, 3 years na pala. So, tapos, di ba, nag-guest ako sa podcast nila ni Meryl, sa The Curious 2, di ba?
Hindi pa na-release ata.
Na-release na.
Yeah.
Na-release na. Tapos, ang gusto kong malaman ngayon, Elijah, so, what's the update? Ano na? Ano na ang latest sa aking apo?
Other than my hair?
Yeah, I love your hair. I love the color of your hair. At saka, sobrang fit ni Elijah. Di ba?
Yun na nga, yun siya.
Manang-mana siya sa lolo niya. Di ba? Okay. So, what's the update?
With what specifically? Dami naman yun.
School. Ano mo ngayon? Anong year mo?
Grade 11 na.
You're grade 11 na.
Yeah. So, ayun. So, it's harder now in the first year ko mag-senior high, but I'm confident I'll get through it.
Okay. Yung ano natin, yung nag-guest ako sa podcast in The Curious 2.
Yeah.
And then, we were talking about you entering showbiz.
Ooh, yeah.
Diba? So ano na update tungkol doon?
So, my main goal, nag-shift na siya to more of...
Nag-iba?
Yeah. Gusto ko na maging athlete. Talagang, I'm trying to pursue being a basketball player. It's kind of a long shot kasi the school I'm in doesn't have a varsity team yet. Not yet yun. Pero, yeah, it's a little hard din kasi for my height. Pero I'm not gonna worry about that now. Right now, I'm focusing more on the student athlete.
Which is good.
Yeah. Yeah, beginning pa lang. So I hope na I go through with it. I mean, kasi I realized na naging passion ko talaga yung basketball ever since.
So ang pag-artista will just have to be...
It's still there.
It's still there.
Table, yeah, but it's not my main focus anymore.
Oh, okay.
Like I'm still gonna plan to do it for realistically as a job, yeah. Pero if ever na maging successful ako, maging athlete, then I'm just go with that.
Yeah, yeah.
Mahal na mahal ko yung basketball, so, and I'm not the best at it yet, but I'm still improving every day, so that's what I love about it. So okay. I'm doing my best there.
That's good. At ako naman, at I'm sure ang mama mo, everybody in the family supports you.
Yeah, they do. At heart, mga athletes kami, so ikaw swimmer.
I know.
So
tayo.
Yeah, so everybody naman is supportive of me being a basketball player, and they wanna see me go through with it. So I wanna go through with it also. Okay,
let's go. Pero ngayon syempre magbabanding kaming maglolo, kaya magsiswimming muna kami, ha? Okay, maglalaps muna kami dyan. Pakita mo! Yan! Maglaps lang tayo ng slide, okay? Okay.
Hello.
Yes. Tuwang-tuwa ako kasi alam mo halos lahat ng mga pamangkin ko ngayon sa apo ko. Lahat sila lumaki sa akin at lahat sila marunong lumangoy.
Ano ba?
Diba? Naalala mo nung bata ka pa, we used to swim. Anyway, Eli, is it okay if I ask you some random questions?
Yeah,
okay.
No
Number 1, if you have superpower, okay, ano yung superpower na gusto mo at why?
Any superpower.
Any superpower. Just one, ha?
I'd say teleportation.
Teleportation?
Yeah.
Bakit? I love teleportation.
No, it's just like I want to go to a lot of places, but you need to spend money or you need to drive. It takes time. So like, imagine I want to go to like Japan, teleport there. Like I want to go there, and then I see a place that I want to go to, like the US, and there's like a basketball court there. I'll teleport there. No one's gonna know it. Without.
Yeah. Yeah. Dumudugo na yung ilong ko dito sa apo ko, ha?
Sorry.
Ako naman siguro, tanungin mo naman ako.
Okay. Ikaw, anong superpower gusto mo?
Ako siguro is the ability to heal.
Like
Yun,
yourself?
para no,
Others.
just not just myself but to others as well. 'Di ba? Okay. Iba naman ang background namin, 'di ba? Siyempre, for the next question is kumaga sa family. If you are to give a gift to each and every one of us. Okay? Pero that gift is pareho. It's the same gift that you will give to each and every one of us. Anong gift yon and why? Natitest ko yung ano niya, mental kineso.
Hindi na.
Diba?
More-
Nag-iisip.
Money.
Money. I think it's the best gift. Panalo.
Exactly.
Panalo. Ay, ding 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 ding.
Ikaw, ano naman?
Winner. Ako kasi no, bata ka pa noon eh. Yung ang binigay ko na gift para sa lahat, mostly sa atin, sa aming magkakapatid, is yung picture ni Mami. Yun yung gift na binigay ko sa kanila. Kasi syempre parang remembrance of Mami Linda, our Wonder Woman. Diba? Okay.
Bago na naman.
Diba? For our third question. 5 lang naman to. 5 o 6.
Sige,
Okay.
no problem.
If you could change anything in the world, okay? Name 3 things, tatlo, that you want to change. Sige.
I probably gusto ko palitan yung
Number 1.
corruption for sure.
Corruption.
We learned about it at school. And I'm like, parang that's gonna ruin things in the long term. I mean, it already is. Nangyari na eh.
Yes.
Pangalawa,
Number 2.
yung inequality lang and yung double standard ng mga tao. Kasi palagi, I'm always online. Like, palagi ko nakikita to. So, ako, personally, naiinis ako. And hindi lang ako. Madami din na naiinis sa mga double standard, sa mga parang hindi na equal yung mga opinion ng mga tao, or hindi na pwede yung mga tao to have their own opinion pag this, that on a certain subject. So like, nainis ako, like, come on bro.
Okay, ang galing. Napaka-smart nitong apo ko ha.
Pasla.
Diba? May pinagmanahan.
Okay na din yun.
Sige. Last.
I don't wanna, gusto ko tanggalin yung war. Kasi,
War.
I mean, actually wait, war or yung mga after effects ng war. Kasi, ano siya I mean, I see how, alam ko naman bakit nangyayari yung mga war. Pero I don't think it has to be settled that way. Yung mga
Tama.
after effects, it affects a lot of people.
Yeah.
So, hindi na siya beneficial for the world itself and society as a whole. So, I don't know. I just don't like war, period. But I also don't focus on it.
And I thank you. Ang galing ng apo ko, di ba? Pang Miss Universe ang mga sagot mo.
Miss Universe. Okay. Yun na lang ko na job.
Okay. 3. Okay. Sa akin naman, number 1 is healthcare system.
Fair.
Okay, number 1. Kasi syempre may mga iba, lalo na sa mga third world countries, nakakaawa yung healthcare system. Sana yun ang gusto kong i-change para maging mas maganda yung healthcare, lalo na sa mga may mga sakit, mga elderly and everything. Yun, healthcare system. Number 2, yung environment.
Yeah.
Diba? So syempre yung pollution, yung ganito, gusto kong i-eradicate ang pollution. Eradicate. Diba?
Wow.
At number 3, I agree with corruption.
Yeah.
I agree with corruption. So medyo medyo may similar ang aming answers.
Mana nga ako sa kanya.
Diba?
Alam mo siya. New spot.
Diba?
Okay, teleportation.
Teleportation. Diba?
Sabay pa isip.
Okay, number 4. Ang question ko sa iyo ay, you're turning 17. Right? Yeah. You're turning 17. Okay. Ito, for the past 16 years and something. Okay?
In a few months, yeah.
Yeah, in a few months. What is your best lesson in life or yung pinaka-best experience or yung lesson na natutunan mo that you feel that will be useful for the rest of your life, na magagamit mo siya habang buhay?
The best lesson I think I've learned is, the best lesson I have learned, yung pag kailangan talaga, yung pinaka-importanting tao ang sarili. Kasi ako, kasi I grew up in family natin, very giving, very selfless. So alam mo yung, of course I carried that with me, pero alam ko din na when push comes to shove, importante na to take care of the self first. Kasi ako, yung lesson na yun, until now, and I will carry it up for the rest of my life kasi, and yun nga, the only one who can do it is me. Like, if I feel down,
the only one who can pull you up is yourself.
Exactly. Pero yun,
tama, okay.
But I also, of course, I'm still selfless. I try to be. Pero I'm really a big believer na yung sarili ko ang importante lang. So just don't forget that, kasi most of us nowadays tend to put others before ourselves. And that's okay, but make room for yourself. Yun lang. That's a good lesson. Ikaw?
Ako,
Mel wisdom.
Siyempre, matanda na si Lolo. So, ang akin lang is, through the years, siyempre, bilog ang mundo. Okay, sometimes you're up. I know.
Bilog.
Diba? Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down. Siyempre, challenges are there, struggles are there. Diba? Pero yung sa akin is not to give up. Okay, yun yung siguro pwede ko rin i-advise sa iyo. Masabi mo, si Lolo Mel sinabi sa akin, not to give up. Just keep on moving. Okay? Kasi ando dun yung beauty ng life. Yung mga challenges, andyan dyan, pag nag-overcome mo yun, wow, achievement, di ba? So yun lang yung akin.
Okay.
Pero ang ganda ng sagot ng aking apo.
Teleport.
Andito na naman kami ngayon swing, di ba? Okay. Question, Elijah. Last question ko na to sa'yo. Okay. Siyempre alam mo naman, kada family is different, di ba? And
of course.
Kada family, amazing family, and they have their uniqueness. Diba? Tanong ko, sa family natin, what makes our family amazing and unique?
Pagkamahal natin sa sarili. Basta, our love for each other. Our
love for one another.
Kasi I see a lot of families that love each other in different ways. And lahat naman talaga dapat ibang-iba, diba? Pero tayo kasi, in love natin, we keep contact, we stay close, tayo, especially sa mga family bonding events, talaga dun tayo nagsashine na mahal natin yung sarili natin. And tayo, unique tayo kasi we're all good at something in our own way. So yun din importante na we get to love each other and support each other. And pwede natin i-share yun sa one another. But pretty much yun lang. That's why I love our family din, kasi you guys let me be who I wanna be. And yun lang, I feel very loved and supported din sa family na to.
Alam mo na, natutuwa ako kasi habang sinasabi ni Elijah yan, ang naalala ko si Mami. Kasi syempre, lahat kami laki kay Mami, and at the same time, yung sagot niya about family, ang nagaano sa akin si Mami, ang naalala ko si Mami. And to answer that question, sa akin naman, sinabi mo yung sagot. Siguro what makes our family unique is we all shine. Yun yung sa tingin ko. Alam ko lahat naman, di ba? May mga kanya-kanyang family na very unique. Kaya lang kasi yung sa atin, iba kasi tayo, like your mom. My God, ang mama mo, kapag umatiyan sa indie film, she shines. Di ba? International. Di ba? Yung Tito Mike mo, di ba? Pag he puts his heart like sa arts, ngayon may art gallery siya, and it's really doing well, at ang galing niya sa arts. Ang Lolo Manny mo, nasa field siya ng nursing pero nag-IT. Again, yung puso niya, nilagay niya doon. Ang ganda-ganda ng posisyon, di ba? Lumayo pa ba tayo ang Diamond Star? Di ba? Ang Diamond Star, kapag pinut niya yung heart niya, parati siyang nagsashine. So I guess, you know, ako, that's what I try also. Whenever I do things, ikaw, di ba?
Inherit ko din yun sa family
Yun
natin.
nga eh, yun yung siguro yung sagot ko naman for that question.
We all share,
Okay.
yeah.
Yes. So, tatayo kami, Elijah.
Oh, my legs!
Ayan. So, Elijah.
Yes.
So, thank you, my apo, for guesting in my YouTube channel.
Of course.
Thank you. It's been, ang tagal, 3 years, di ba? Bago
3
tayo
years is
ulit
the last. Oh,
Yeah.
tagal na.
At least nagkaroon na kayo ng update. Okay, please invite our Meltics kung ano ba ang mga dapat mong...
My favorite. Okay.
Yes!
So, ang mga Meltics, please, if you enjoyed this video, hit the subscribe button. If you wanna see more, i-ring nyo yung bell na icon. Tapos kung nagustuhan nyo itong video, please hit that like button na din. If you wanna see more, once again, subscribe. And keep updated kasi magaling ang Tito Mel ko dito. And consistent siya.
Invite them about yung The Curious
Oh
too.
yeah, okay. So if you guys gusto nyo mag-tune in sa namin, sa podcast namin ng mom ko na nag-guest din si Tito Mel doon, panoodin, search nyo kami sa The Curious 2 Official on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. We try to post kasi busy din kami lahat. Pero yun, may podcast kami about our family. If you wanna know more about me, doon din ako nag-give na insight, opinion. Pero and you get to see the world of my mom din, how a single mother like her raised me as a kid.
Alam mo, gusto ko yung mga content nyo. I love it, totoo. Kasi it's very realistic.
Yeah.
You know, what is happening now. Sa ikaw, lalo na ikaw, yung pagiging Gen Z. Di ba?
Yeah.
ano
Pretty
yung
much.
mga ang daming magagandang issues na tinatake nila doon. So, I suggest you follow Meryl Soriano on YouTube.
Yes.
Kasi ando doon ng The Curious 2. Nag-guest ako doon. What about social media platforms?
If you guys wanna follow me, you guys can follow me on Instagram, parang ko Elijah Bu Palangka. And I'm sure naman ilalagay mo yung mga links sa mga profile namin sa description. So just check
Exactly.
that out. Hey, once again, please subscribe kasi my Tito Mel deserves the world. So,
Oh! That's my apo. Okay, kaya piniflex ko ang kanyang gandang katawan.
Kaya
And
nag-pull
di lang
tayo.
yun. Oo, kaya nag-pull tayo. I have to flex your beautiful body
Doon
kasi
naman yun sa
talaga
TikTok
nag-workout. Pero, smart. Very, very smart. Kaya mga Meltics, thank you. If you like this video, please share with your family and friends. Okay? And, yun lang, nakakatuwa lang. Sana marami kayong natutunan at some point, especially the values ng mga sinugot ng apo ko at mga sinagot ko na rin. Okay? God bless everybody.
bye everyone!